Gentlemen, welcome to the Happy Valley Ranch, part of the Albert Eckery Grassland Preserve.
I'd like to point out that the mower will not start unless the height adjustment is all the way up beyond the highest cutting height as a safety feature. Believe me, speaking from experience, it's the first thing you want to check if the engine won't turn over or restart. Next to the blade height adjustment lever is the blade engagement lever. This lever will not engage the blades to spin unless the blade height has been set at 6 inches or lower on the four-wheel drive Brush Rover. Moving over to the operator's right side, there are 3 key levers. Here we have the throttle lever with a minimum and maximum position to control the engine RPMs. When starting the engine, we recommend that the throttle position be in the middle. Once the user is ready to engage the blade, you increase the throttle to the maximum position. When the rover is in the idle position, it's best to turn down the throttle to its minimum position. Here we have the locking differential lever. The locking differential locks your rear wheels together, thereby evenly distributing the hydrostatic drive power to both wheels evenly. As a result, traction is optimized for those soft and marshy areas and helping the brush rover up and over to the thicker brush. This is especially useful when tackling brush mowing on slopes. While the two-wheel drive brush rover conquers slopes up to 15 degrees, the four-wheel drive brush rover can mow on slopes slightly steeper than 20 degrees. When you run into heavy brush and saplings, they'll hit up here, fold over, you run over them, and the blades underneath mulch everything up. Let's take a look at the four-wheel drive brush rover's mowing deck. This is a Colton steel mowing deck. Corrosion resistant and tough.